just making some care packages for people in the community so that they can help us with clean up their houses and things.
I'm out here with more than 150 volunteers already in Rock Spring. We're going to be getting rid of debris, anything that's been damaged by the flood, so we can get these apartments back up and running again and get families back home.
I say whatever's untouched, but whatever touched the water, I'm throwing it away. Cause it's too smell in here, and then, like, you know, I only got me, my brother, we got work, he's at work, so no time.
我相信说，像他们这样子，自己一户人家来清哈，绝对没有办法清完，一定要靠很多人来帮忙，他们一起协助，才能够早一点把家园清干净，住进来。
还好吗？还好啦，我们
做得很高兴。
种花种菜的力气很大，哇 ，muscle，OK。
Bây giờ thì ở nhà các bà làm chung, xin ở nhà mấy ngày. Bây giờ đâu có chỗ ở đâu. Xưa rằng tôi không có phải mua 2 triệu. Thành ra không có. Xe này cũng như là bán loại bỏ thôi chứ không có xài được. Sửa lại xài được.
Really appreciate for them to help and feel the love. Yeah.
It's a tragedy, but not as bad when there's a whole community that comes to help us, takes a load off of us, so that way we could rebuild and go on with our life again.
This is why I love San Jose so much, because wonderful people are here ready to help. So thank you so much for coming out to help. We love the great support that Sushi gives to our entire community.